Welcome everybody to JonesTV. Welcome to Searchin. This is J Jones, and today I'll talk about ASAP Ferg's new level produced by the Honorable C Note. I only know the intro to this, so there's only one sound for the intro, and that is from a contact called Lumina by Project Sam. Honorable C Note, he went into the textures folder, he clicked on the C mystery dash long dash master suspense and hit one key. And that's how you did the intro for new level. Hit the like, subscribe button. Tune in for more on Sound Searchin, where you'll get the know-how to your favorite sounds. And I'm out.